Hi, it's me again, just showing you my little set with the porcelain. I've actually now ravelled it onto my actual table dresser, just to show you that it does all work and it stays all together. And it's actually in my holders, this plug socket. See mine there, I put it on and ravelled it so it's all tied in nice away on there. And then you've got, this is the one that I've put it on, and if you can see here, there is the 3 sockets for your plug, so that even fits in nicely. So it clips on there, and then you've got your 3 holes for your plug after you've ravelled it round, and then there. So it shows you it is all nice and tidy away in the socket. But there, and this is all, it's nice and light as well. I forgot to say that before in the other video. It's like it's a heat resistant material as well, which is inside, because you're going to need that for when you've used your hair dryer, because it will be warm. And you've got a hair straightener one, which will withstand. It's like a rubbery silicone type of feeling, but it's absolutely fantastic. It's a little minky down there, but it's absolutely fantastic. So yeah, I just wanted to show you the finished bit. Thank you.